This is a 2016 Jeep Compass, and the problem with it is obviously with the screen. Yeah, without us touching it, it goes all insane. Yeah, different menu options, it selects it all by itself. Again, we are not touching anything, and we found out the problem with it of course is the screen. You cannot replace just the screen, you do need to replace the whole unit. The reason why it happened is because of the direct hit from the sunlight, because we live in a shiny state, yeah, Florida. Absolutely destroyed the screen. If you can take a more close look into it, you can see that it started literally to peel off. This is interesting. I never seen something like this before, so it was interesting taking it out and checking all of the grounds, making sure that it's actually the screen and not some type of shortage that would cause this. Maybe we thought there was a problem with water damage or something serious was going on with it. Well, like I said, we did find out that the problem was the screen. The screen cannot be replaced just like that. You do need to replace the whole unit, unfortunately, but we gave a guy a proper direction that he needs to get a replacement unit, so he'll be able to get that, and we'll do the replacement for him on this particular unit. Meanwhile, we want to show you how this thing can be taken apart, so maybe if you're home you can take this thing out by yourself. It got 9 like locks to itself. Leave a like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.